Language testing. Using classroom-based learning assessment. The purpose of language assessment in the classroom is to collect information on the students' linguistic performance to decide on their teaching process. The formative assessment and summative assessment are the methods which are more used, and that's why we are going to talk about them. And the formative assessment is an assessment that the teacher can make before, during, or after the teaching process. When the teacher finishes with this assignment, immediately he or she can provide feedback to the students. Also, for the more important thing, in my opinion, is that the teacher can keep or change the method. For example, it can change the planning, can change the tasks, or can change the materials. Yeah, for example, if you give you are teaching to little kids in first grade, and after doing a test you realize that your method, your materials are not working well, then you can change, maybe use more images, use more flashcards. Also, maybe you can do games so the little kids can have fun while they are learning. And in this case, this testing will help to the teacher a lot. Also, this will change a little bit depending on the number of the students or how the class is, to make all these changes. We also have a summative assessment. The summative assessment is more strict, is more formal, and it is used to get a certificate or pass to next level of learning. For example, if you want to get a B2 certificate, you have to give an exam, and after that, if you get the points, you will get the certificate. If you not have the enough points that they require, you will not get the certificate. Or also, if you are in an English school, you are in the first level, at the end of the course, you have to give an exam. If you have the enough points, you will go to the next level, level number 2. If you're not, you just stay in the same level and learn a little bit more about the skills that you're not okay with it, that you're not learn enough to pass to the next level. Also, what I can say, the feedback in the summative assessment is not the most important thing, is not the point. And also, in this assessment, always the assessment is doing at the end of the teaching, or at the end of the course. It's not like the other one that you can do before, during, and after. In this case, you just can do at the end of the course. The next one, it's finally, to conclude, I can say, in my opinion, the assessment is very important. It helps a lot to teachers to have a clear view about the students, their weaknesses, their strengths, and it helps to the teacher change the methods, change the materials, change the tasks, or stay with the same ones, in order to help to the students in the learning process. In the other hand, we have the summative assessment, which is specific for get a certificate or to pass to the next level or learning. That's what all I can say about this topic. Thank you very much for listening.